Good morning. Well, it's been a while not since my last checks in my last video. I apologize for that, but well, I've been pretty busy with a lot of stuff, especially preparing a trip in less than a month. You're gonna love it. The place I'm going for a conference. I won't say where it is. It's gonna be a surprise for you guys. Okay. Today I'm going to use my Rockwell 6C, which I haven't used in a while. I'm using the R4 plate, which is a medium aggressive setting. I'm using the Platinum, as I've been using the past few weeks. Been working very well for me. And well, I have news about bowling. Our team got the second place. Yay! In our league. It was very fulfilling, we felt very good that we won. We didn't got the first place for 34 pins. That's nothing, but well, what can I say? Let me get things started. I was playing with my son, and our first game was a 3-game series. Our first game was horrible. We were completely lost. We couldn't read the lane properly. So he made like 87 and I made like, 90 something, not even 100 points. So that was pretty bad. On the second and third game then I got 143 and 179, if I remember correctly, I think. Still pretty low. I mean, I haven't bowled in years, so this is the first time that I'm doing seriously. At least I'm trying to get it as serious as I can. But it was cool. It was cool to get our trophy. I'm gonna show you the picture of the trophy. Okay, what else I'm using the Omega. This is the cheapest brush that you can find, I believe. It's not a bad brush, but it's, in my way of thinking, is a little bit too stiff. And if I do this on this cream soap, I'm gonna take a lot of soap on the brush. I don't want waste, because this is a pretty good soap, and I want to use it as much as I can. So what I'm going to do is gonna grab a dab of it. I'm going to put it on my rubber bowl, which I plan to take it on my trip. And then I'm gonna make the lettering here. I think I don't have enough water, but well, we'll see. See, the good things about bore brushes, or some bore brushes, is that they have a lot of backbone. Backbone is the stiffness of the nut. If you know the parts of a brush, this is the handle and this is the nut. The loft is the distance between the base of the handle and the top of the nut. So this is one big brush. Look at the whipping action it's doing because of the backbone. here. Another good thing about board brushes is the exfoliating action on your skin, which is pretty nice. Wow, huge lather in here. Let me use a little bit more water. Not to use too much water, but I think I need a little bit more. Let's check the peaks. Well, it's very protective already. I think it's good to go. I think it's ready for shaving. So let's begin. By the way, I'm going to give you a quick, there's the razor here, a quick tour of the new shaved end. It's an old shaved end, but if you remember, I had my sink full of stuff. It was pretty stuffed, pretty cluttered. So I found some of the shelves, the crystal shelves for the mirror. I'm going to show you how it looks. It looks pretty nice. Well, this is my new shaved end. If you remember, this was all cluttered with a lot of stuff. Now look what I have here. All my stuff here on these shelves. And they look pretty neat. And you think? So that's the new shaved end. Okay, let's begin. It's a pretty nice setting. Pretty comfortable. Oh man. I forgot how comfortable this razor can be. Well, pretty nice first pass. Still a lot of soap in here. And still some soap stuck in the bottom that I haven't used. Right, pass number 2. I cut myself the other day here, at the bottom of my nose, and I thought that it was because I was doing this too much, but it wasn't. It was the overhang that I cut myself when I was doing like this, so I gotta be careful there. Definitely the area around your mouth is in my case, is the most prone to cuts and nicks, because well, it is the part that it has less continuous skin, if you know what I mean. Most of my cuts have been around my lips, but I think I got pretty good in time. Let's knock on wood. A bit of a retouching here. Very nice. I think I'm going to be using the Rockwell a little bit more. I neglected it long enough when I'm wetting my feet. Okay, pass number 3. Wow, lots of feedback. shave very close. The thing is that with my new shave den, or the new configuration of my shave den, the camera is a little bit forward, not as flush with the mirror. So that makes the problem that when I wet my face, my face is too close to the camera. Well, anyway, one thing for the other. Maybe, oops, I didn't put the alum block. Let me do it real quick. Almost no feedback. Pretty close and irritation-free shave. Right, let me clean up a little bit. I'll be right back for the post shave. So, very nice shave. To use some Brut Classic. By the way, I tried the other day and I filmed it, but it was not so good of a shave because I tried shaving with a regular soap, like my last Spanish shave. So I didn't want to upload that. It didn't went well. Quite frankly, I had to use Arco to finish my shave because the soap was not protecting enough. Definitely that a regular soap, you can use it for shaving depending on the soap, but needs some help. So definitely some people have used what's the name of the component? Well, I can't remember right now. Ungaro. Well, gents, we'll get a couple more shaves before my trip, so we'll see you again soon. Thanks again for your subscription and your comments, and see you in the next shave.